Hello, today we're going to show you how to use Aviator's Calculator Lite app. This guide will help you to use the app effectively. Let's start. Aviator's Calculator Lite helps you figure out important times for flights and work hours. First, we'll look at how to calculate your flight time. Start by entering the takeoff time. That's when your plane leaves the ground. Then, add the landing time, when your plane lands. The app quickly figures out your total flight time. This helps you keep track of how long you've been flying. Next, let's click the menu button at the top right. Here, you can see different options. We'll go to the duty period calculator. This part of the app helps you work out your duty period and flight duty period. Enter the off-block time, when your plane starts moving for takeoff. Then, enter the on-block time, when it stops at the gate after landing. It then tells you how long you've been on duty. If you need to use all the app's features in one place, go back to the menu and click on the Aviator's Calculator page. If you like the Lite version and want to get Aviator's Calculator, use without interneted and ad-free, you can upgrade. Just press the button, and it will take you to the store page that fits your phone. That's how you use Aviator's Calculator Lite. We hope this video makes it easier for you to manage your flying time. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.